Some of the most confusing things to organize is paperwork. So we're going to dive into my filing cabinet and I'm going to show you how I do it. Hi, I am Crystal with Cloud9 Organizing, and let's dive into my filing cabinet so we can take a look at a very efficient way you can organize all of your files and important paperwork and get all your ducks in a row. This is the same filing system that I recommend in my Ducks in a Row system. So if you're familiar with that, this is going to look familiar to you. So you've got a personal category. So this would be anything that is personal to you. For me, I've got genealogy, teaching, some transcripts in there, so that's going to look different for everybody. You have your assets, and your assets are the things that you own. You don't owe any money on them. And then money would be banking, if you have stocks, some sort of savings, anything that is related to actual money would go in here, and everything would have its own individual file. Debts and payments. These are the things that you owe on. So future payments for me would be my HOA, property taxes I put in here, and I intentionally put it in this color because it is my hope that these will go away someday. And all of the debts and future payments will, for the most part, dwindle away. And then in the pretty bright green, I have insurance, and this is all things insurance. Anything you have insured, your auto, life, property, whatever, if you have insurance on it, this is the insurance papers. Medical. This would be medical history, important medical information that you need to keep, and we have it broken down by each family member, and in addition to family members, we consider, of course, the people, we consider our animals part of the family. So I have the family pets in here also. And then the last is our wishes. This category is anything that has to do with something that will take care of your family in the future if something happens to you. So wills, power of attorney, anything important like that goes in the our wishes category. Another important category that I would like to talk about is called My Team. My Team is not in here, but I do have that somewhere in a very safe place. And that is anybody that needs to be contacted in case something happens to me. So doctors, lawyers, really close family members, close friends, people that need to be contacted that know what to do if I need help in the future for some reason, if I am for whatever reason not able to help myself. That is a very important thing to have. I have that on a thumb drive along with all the pertinent information that are on these files. All this paperwork is also electronically saved somewhere in a secure location. And again, that's part of the Ducks in a Row system. That's the main part of the Ducks in a Row system. So if you are familiar with the Ducks in a Row system, you know exactly what I'm talking about. So the reason some people have way too much paperwork is maybe because they just have too much paperwork. They are hanging on to things for way too long. So I'm going to give you guys something that is included in my Ducks in a Row system, and that is the paper retention guideline. That will give you a pretty good idea of how long you should be keeping certain documents. The filing system that I just shared with you is based on the Ducks in a Row system. It's a small portion of the actual system. If you're ready to get all of your ducks in a row and get all your vital information organized, reach out to me and I will be happy to share information with you.